got an email? What
No,
do
we got to go into this email question first.
Okay.
After a wreck, how soon should you start talking to a lawyer? Should you wait and see what the insurance company is doing or going to do first? My friend has had a bad experience waiting too long. Kim, Larry?
I tell you what, we just had a former client go through the same thing. So let's kind of go over with you. If Kim, if your friend really knew how to evaluate a case, I would say, yeah, it's okay to kind of do that. But unfortunately, you should probably seek out legal advice right away, because the insurance adjuster, they are friendly, but they will say things, or you'll say things to them, and they'll write it in a report, and it'll sound like your friend may not be hurt, may not be injured. Recently, we had a client. We did a great job for the client, and the client was very happy, and she studied what we did and thought she could do it on her own in a second accident. And unfortunately, she could not. She did everything perfectly, at least by the book, but there's a lot of things that are outside that book knowledge that lawyers can help with that the average person doesn't know. In fact, the insurance industry says that when a lawyer becomes involved in a personal injury case, the net recovery to a person is 6 times the amount of the offer that we got. Recently, we just settled a case, nearly $1 million, with a 0 offer, with somebody trying to represent themselves. And then also this lady that we're helping again, and we're very happy that she came back to us. We're going to make that an even bigger multiplier, because the insurance company should have settled with her, but they don't do the right thing, and we know how to push, lawyers know how to push to get the insurance companies to either resolve the case, and if not, then we're prepared to go to trial and have a jury reach that conclusion. But we've got a caller on the line.
We do, Larry, but if the insurance companies did the right thing all the time,
we would be out of a job.
We'd be out of a job. And so I'm going to be a little bit more forward in backing you up on that. Kim, get an attorney right away. Get somebody to advocate for you, because insurance companies, they have somebody advocating for them. Don't take a chance. Larry's just giving you a great example of two individuals who try to do it themselves. Please, please, please hire somebody. And the great thing about hiring a law firm like ours, we don't charge anybody anything until we recover for them. So if they come to our office and they retain us, guess what? If we don't make a recovery for you, no matter how much money we've expended on the file, and getting it to a point where we're investigating or getting it to a point to make an evaluation on it, if we don't make a recovery, you don't owe us anything. So it's the best deal going, really.
It is, it is. And it's a pure contingency, meaning that you don't pay us anything unless we collect.
Nope. And so, hire an attorney, Kim. Get somebody to advocate for you and be on your side or be on your friend's side. And obviously, there's been a lot of bad experiences, and insurance companies will take advantage of you. They do not do the right thing, ever. Because I can honestly say that, because if they did, we wouldn't be in a job.
Let me give you an even worse example. I know we got a caller on the line, though. Somebody came to us after receiving a very small settlement. The case value was many, 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 many multiples of this very small settlement, and it's heartbreaking, but they've signed a release. We're trying to work around that because it came so quickly. Yeah. No guarantee to that client, but the client now has put themselves in a tough situation. Very, very bad situation.
Yep.